Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the match timer. Let's go into Manchester United against Manchester City. At the bottom we see three icons, and the first icon is the match timer. If we click on it, you see three options. We can start the first half, we can start the second half, and we can end the match. Well, let's start the first half. You get a message that from now on the minutes will be tracked. And at the top of your screen, next to match, you see the minute of the game we're in. This will automatically be registered when you rate an event of a player. And later on, when you send the email, you see all the events with the according minutes. If we're done, just press on the match timer and say end match. This gives you a message that the match has been stopped, and so the minutes won't be tracked anymore.